And now, World Improv Network proudly presents Community Court.
When two parties cannot solve a dispute, no. Community court is there to solve the problem. See?
All please rise to the prominent judge, William III.
All right, be seated, please. This is William Law III presiding, as always, on this time. I thought I've seen it all, folks, but I need to tell you something I know I haven't. Here in my courtroom today, I have two people. I know they are loyal, loving people. But we've got a situation. Our plaintiff, Mr. Howard Pilther, has filed suit against Rachel Tweed, Ms. Rachel Tweed, for cyberbullying. Mr. Pilther, please tell me why you've brought in this boogaloo into my courtroom.
Well, it started off as a casual friendship online. We met playing WoW, then it extended on to email, and then late night texts, and then a chat room. It's been going on for almost 2 years now. And then all of a sudden, I kind of got the suspicion that she started seeing somebody else. And the relationship got real negative. I don't know.
So you're accused of accusing Rachel Tweed of cyberbullying. Miss Tweed, could you please tell me your side of the story, please?
Yeah. So it's really simple. It happened like this. I kind of liked you for a little while, and then I decided that I didn't, okay? And
Excuse me, Miss Tweed. You said you. Would you please refer to the plaintiff by his name so the court reporter can get that down?
Mr. Pilther?
Thank you. Continue with your story. I'm sorry for the interruption, but I am the judge.
Yeah, of course, your judgeship. So it really just I got sick of him, met a guy, did some things,
What things did you do, ma'am? I need all of the facts in the case.
She changed her avatar.
I did. I changed my avatar, put a little skirt on, started flouting around with a giant machete, kind of just saying I'm out there looking, So,
You're looking with a machete.
Yeah, because I'm a strong, independent woman.
It sounds like you're more of a criminal, ma'am.
No, my avatar. I don't know if you know what that means, but that means that it's not actually you.
I'm 67 years old.
Okay, so imagine in 2 years when your body's no longer working, I want you to get an avatar so that you know what it's like to be young again and what it's like to have a tight butt. All right? Because that feels good.
Miss Tweed, I do squats every morning. I got the tightest butt of any judgeship on this side of the Mississippi, man.
Wow, that's sexy. That's really sexy, judgeship. I am single, and I'm just looking around.
Well, you need to look in the other direction, ma'am. I am a married man.
Oh, no, don't worry about it, judgeship. Don't worry.
Thank you. Let's get back on task here. Mr. Pilther, tell me about your response to Ms. Tweed's comments.
Well, as you can already tell, she's quite presumptuous and very pretentious. It's been that way for 2 years. But anyways, she decided to make a decision and call it off. Stop returning my emails and stop talking to me online. And then, quite frankly, it got quite harassing where she started to put me... she put me down in front of everybody else in the chat rooms, and it was abusive.
So what specifically did she do? Give me the facts. This is a courtroom.
She called me a level 10.
And what does that mean?
A level 10 in the world of Warcraft? Are you not familiar with the levels?
I'm an old man.
A level 10 is basically entry level.
Yeah.
So she basically injured your self-esteem. Is that what you're bringing to the court here?
Mine and my avatars. I had to change avatars twice.
So I don't see your avatars in this courtroom. This is about you and Ms. Tweed. Please give me the more facts. What other facts can you add to this case, sir?
What is the difference between myself and an avatar? But anyways,
your avatar is better.
But anyways, I discovered that she was basically a cripple, and her avatar was just fooling everybody online, and I never decided to call it out. I played the high road, but apparently Miss Rachel decided that was fair play, so she would attack me and my own insecurities and inadequacies, and well.
So
She attacked my education level. She attacked my education level publicly online, which everybody can prove on Wikipedia.
So have you ever heard the expression "sticks and stones may break my bones"? I want to know what damages this did to you, Mr. Pilther. All I see that you've had some self-esteem damage, but that could be from your childhood.
Do you not see what occurs in the virtual world these days? I had to create a brand new account. I had to start over. I had to find a new social security number. I had to start over from the beginning. You know what it's like to do that at 40 years old?
I don't know what the beginning is, sir. I know what the beginning is, but I don't know what. Tell me what a beginning is, sir.
The beginning is the restart after you've already started.
I understand there's a counterclaim, Ms. Tweed. Could you please tell the court what that is so the court reporter can get it down?
Yeah, I'm personally filing for a restraining order. Because you know what? Like, the reason I cyberbullied you, as you so happily say, is because, like, he would not stop texting me. And, after enough pictures of his naked body, I was like, still not missing out.
Rachel,
You're not reminding me of anything.
Rachel, those are real pictures,
in the
Rachel.
courtroom.
Rachel, those are real pictures. That was not my avatar.
I know, and I was still disappointed.
So are you saying, ma'am, that Mr. Pilther was sexting you
Unwantedly, yeah.
Photographs?
They were wanted. You replied every single time, Rachel. That sounds like wanted, and keep it coming, please.
My replies were really abrupt, and I used punctuation.
What type of punctuation did you use, Ms. Tweed?
Periods.
All right. Were there any exclamation marks used? Or...
No, because that's encouraging. An exclamation point is like saying, I'm excited right now. Yeah. Like if I said stop with an exclamation point, that wouldn't get the point across the way I need it to. But with a period, I'm being abrupt.
All right. I want to make sure that was just a period, not an ellipses, ma'am.
No, ellipses means there's something more, and there's nothing here, Mr. Pilther. There is nothing here.
Mr. Pilther,
Miss Rachel, I don't know what world you come from, but continuous periods really mean continuation of something, so that means keep coming at you.
All right,
That's how it was interpreted from my generation.
Mr. Pilther, sir, you've interrupted me every single time I've spoken in this courtroom. It took me a lot of years to get my law degree and my judgeship.
Mm-hmm.
So when I'm speaking, you will silence your mouth, sir. All right. Anything.
Good control of your courtroom.
Mr. Pilther, I will hit you again, and this time it won't be in the kisser.
Oh.
All right. Sir, Mr. Pilther, do you have anything else to say? You can talk. I won't hit you now.
The only thing I would like to say is, well, if you find Rachel attractive, good luck with her, because she will dump you too.
Oh.
All right. So
on your ass.
Anything else to bring to this claim?
After having kids, virtual kids.
Sir, anything else to bring to this claim other than your wounded self-esteem and your avatar things?
Nothing else. Have fun.
All right, Miss Tweed.
Yeah?
Final comments from you, ma'am.
I just want to throw out there that...
throw it out, Rachel.
You're disgusting, A. B, your judgeship. I think it's time we started taking a look at young women and thinking, we're here to support them and not call them liars or make them the criminals for being victims of men's behavior.
So, have fun with that.
Okay. So, all right.
I'm not a victim.
No, you're not a victim. You're a survivor, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. I need to think about this for 1 second. All right. Okay.
Careful, law.
All right. Excuse me. Order in the courtroom.
Slap him again.
You're setting precedent.
You're
setting precedents for gender roles in the virtual world.
Mr. Pilther, I will hit you this time, and I will hit you harder than I kiss your kisser in the hitter. All right. My ruling
Mhm.
is for, drum roll, please. My ruling is for the defendant Rachel Tweed, a restraining order against Mr. Harold Pilther. You are not to come within 347 miles of Miss Tweed for the next 14 years.
Oh, yeah.
And that's community code. Thank you.
Stay tuned for Talking Points with Shabazz Davis. And make sure to give the Windcast your suggestions during the break on what topic Shabazz should swing a bat at. Next on Mile High Sports Radio.